Imagine a place where history and nature meet. Where trees hold the story of our past, and where you can go today to meditate, to understand, and to heal. This is Adkins Arboretum. Home to over 600 varieties of plants native to the Chesapeake region. Where the west wind sweeps across the forest to roots Harriet Tubman used when leading others to freedom. And where Tuckahoe Creek flows downstream to the birthplace of Frederick Douglass. This landscape still bears witness to nature's role in the Underground Railroad. The trees you see today are smaller and younger than those that were here during the 19th century. But the species are familiar: white oak, sweet gum, beech, tulip, and pine. Planters, Quakers, free blacks, and enslaved people all shaped the land which is now Adkins Arboretum. Forests such as these provided safe harbor and refuge, guidance, nourishment, and a path to freedom for those who embarked on this difficult journey. In this place, we can't help but ask, how has this landscape shaped who we are? And together, how will we shape the future?